What is up guys, today I'm gonna be showing you how you can create a Shopify store with CJ Dropshipping. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a store and how you can connect CJ Dropshipping to Shopify so that you can import products from CJ to Shopify. And I'm gonna be showing you how you can make this process automatic. Like if someone places an order on your Shopify store, CJ will take care of the shipping. They will ship the product. Like it says here, we source and ship for you, so you don't have to do anything. You can make this this process automatic. So I'm gonna be showing you guys. The first thing you need to do, guys, is you want to create an account on Shopify. That's the first thing you need to do. So you just want to click on create store and you just want to follow the steps. Now after you create an account, as you can see here, you want to go to CJ Dropshipping. As you can see, this is the website, the official website of CJ Dropshipping, and you need to click on register and you need to create an account. Okay, so for me, I'm just going to create an account using my Google account. Click on here. So after that, guys, what you need to do, guys, next you want to click this X. Now you want to click on authorization in the top left and you want to click on Shopify. So after you select on Shopify, the reason why you have to click on Shopify is we are trying now to connect Shopify to CJ so that we can import products. So this will make sense in a few seconds. You want to click on add store and you want to click on authorize. So it will take you directly to Shopify App Store and you need to download this app. It's called CJ Dropshipping. You want to click on open, you want to click on install app, okay? And in the top you want to click on install, you want to click on, you cannot download the app because I already downloaded it. That's why it didn't ask me, guys, to install the app. So it will say install in the top right of your Shopify. Click on install and wait for it to install. It will take you to this page. You want to click on authorize, you want to click confirm, click again on authorize. That's it. As you can see, it says here authorization success. So we have successfully connected our CJ to Shopify. Now you want to click on list now. Now after you click on list now, you want to find a product that you are interested to dropship on Shopify. So if someone buys this a specific product from your Shopify, CJ will ship the product automatically to the customer, and you will get the address from inside your Shopify because we already connected our CJ to Shopify. If you follow the exact steps that I have showed you, that's now you want to find a product. So for example, this one. So I would like to list this product on our Shopify store. So after you select the product that you are interested to list, scroll down and click on list, and then here you want to add the product type. You want to click on add new and you want to add something like test. Click confirm, and the vendor, you want to click add new, select test, confirm, and here where it says my product, my orders ship to. So it means that you have to select the country that you want to ship to. So most of the time you have to select United States because people from United States, they have this culture to buy online. So if you really want to get a lot of sales, you need to target these countries. Select United States so that people from United States will be able to buy the product from you on Shopify. Okay, so here where it says here shipping method, you want to go with CJ sensitive, CJ packet sensitive, and like I said, my orders most to, you want to go with United States. And here you need to add the price. So it says here the total dropshipping cost is $14. So this means each sale you get, CJ will take $14 of this sale. So you need to increase the price so that you can make a profit. So I will just go with $27. Click OK. So as you can see here, we have added here $27. So the profit is going to be around $11, $12 if you are paying for Facebook ads. If you are going to promote this product on Facebook, you will have to pay Facebook to for the ad. So you will have to add the money on your Facebook. Or I don't suggest using Facebook because it's an old method. You want to go to TikTok and you want to try to promote this product on TikTok. Anyway, you want to click on list it now, and this product will be listed on on your Shopify. As you can see, it says here listing in progress. You may check the listing states in on listing. So you just want to wait a few seconds and you want to go to Shopify, click on orders. Okay, no, I'm sorry, you want to click on products and you will find the product here. So as you can see, this is the product that we have listed, and if someone buys this product from us, then CJ will ship the product automatically to the customer. Okay, all right, now you need to like make a video about this product. So for example, this is not something to make a video about, so just add the picture like this, make an ad using pictures. But I don't suggest selling something like this. You want to select like a product that you can make a video. If you can't make a video, you can just get the video from YouTube, download it, and start promoting that product on TikTok and see if you can get some sales. That's the only hard part, guys, is to drive traffic to your Shopify store and see if it's converting or not. If people are not interested in the product, you want to change it to something else. Okay, so before you go, you need to watch the video in the screen right now so that you can learn more about how you can use CJ with Shopify. So it's very important, guys, to click the video in the screen, and see you guys next video. Please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next video. Let me know in the comments if you need any help. I reply to every single comment.